Once again, I would like to welcome you all. It is an absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this beautiful occasion. To this beautiful occasion. Oi, signal block mo. Kain tani. Kaya mo kain tani. Signal maya. An absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this occasion, to this beautiful occasion. We are gathered here to celebrate the love and union of like Miss B.p Meena and Khum Sir B.p Meena. Two incredible souls who have found their forever in each other. Marriage is not just about finding right person. It's all about loving and cherishing them every single day. Today, as they exchange vows and promises, let us hold witnesses and bless the beginning of their lifelong journey. So, let's fill this place with joy, love, and celebration as we hope these two become one. Let the ceremony begin. Thank you, KOKTWMA. We also fill this place with joy, love, and celebration as we want this to become one, united in life together forever. And sir, and we truly appreciate the effort you have made to be here. Weddings are not just about two people coming together, but about families and friends uniting to celebrate love, joy, and lifelong commitment. So sit back, relax after this program and enjoy this beautiful celebration. Let's make this festival with love, laughter, and as we gather here today, we are not just witnessing a wedding. We are celebrating a love story that has brought two amazing people together. Miss B.p Meena and Khum B.p Meena. That pure laughter, dreams, and countless beautiful moments leading up to this day. And today, in front of all of you, family, friends, and loved ones, they are ready to make a lifelong promise to each other. Marriage is a journey built on love, trust, and mutual respect. It's about standing by each other, fight through every voice and every challenges. And as we move forward with this ceremony, let us all take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the union and the power of love that bring us all together today. We also bless them all as well. We are reminded that love is the most beautiful and powerful force in the world. It brings two hearts together, unites families, and creates a bond that only grows stronger with time. Together as